5 seconds. Sub-Saharan Africa is geographically and ethno-culturally the area of the continent of Africa that lies south of the Sahara. According to the United Nations, it consists of all African countries and territories that are fully or partially south of the Sahara, while the United Nations Geoscheme for Africa excludes Sudan from its definition of Sub-Saharan Africa. The African Union definition includes Sudan but instead excludes Mauritania. It contrasts with North Africa, which is frequently grouped within the MENA, Middle East and North Africa region, and most of whose states are members of the Arab League, largely overlapping with the term Arab world. The states of Somalia, Djibouti, Comoros, and the Arab majority Mauritania, sometimes Sudan, are however geographically considered part of Sub-Saharan Africa, although 54 countries are Sub-Saharan excludes Algeria, Djibouti, Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Somalia, Sudan, and Tunisia. The term has been criticized by later Professor Herbert Acquis on Pamjakwa as being a racist word because it refers to the area south of the Sahara by geographical conventions as opposed to North Africa, which refers to a cardinal direction. Critics such as Professor Acquis consider the term to imply a linguistic connotation of inferiority through its use of the prefix under or below subarctic, which they see as a linguistic vestige of European colonialism. Since probably 3500 BCE, the Saharan and Sub-Saharan regions of Africa have been separated by the extremely harsh climate of the sparsely populated Sahara, forming an effective barrier interrupted by only the Nile in Sudan, though the Nile was blocked by the river cataracts. The Sahara pump theory explains how flora and fauna left Africa to penetrate the Middle East and beyond. African pluvial periods are associated with a wet Sahara phase, during which larger lakes and more rivers existed. The ancient Greeks sometimes referred to Sub-Saharan Africa as Ethiopia, but sometimes also applied this name more specifically to a state, which led to the name being designated to the nation of Ethiopia. Geographers historically divide the region into the several distinct ethnographic sections based on each area respective inhabitants. Commentators in Arabic in the medieval period used the general term land of the blacks for the vast Sudan region, an expression denoting West and Central Africa, or sometimes extending from the coast of West Africa to Western Sudan. Its equivalent in Southeast Africa was Country of the Blacks, which was situated in the vicinity of the Great Lakes region. The geographers drew an explicit ethnographic distinction between the Sudan region and its analog Ganj from the area to their extreme east on the Red Sea coast in the Horn of Africa. In modern day Ethiopia and Eritrea was Al-Habas, which was inhabited by the Habas, who were the forebears of the Habisha. In northern Somalia was Barbara, land of the Berbers, which was inhabited by the eastern Bariba, as the ancestor of Somalis were referred to by medieval Arab and ancient Greek geographers respectively.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.